Nirbhaya Fund. It is established by the Central Government of India in December 2012 after the Delhi gang rape incident that happened in December 16th, 2013. Under this Nirbhaya Fund, government established 1000 crore rupees fund, and the main objective of the fund is to support the initiatives of state governments and NGOs that is working towards protecting the dignity and ensuring the safety of the women in India. Nirbhaya means fearless, and the purpose of Nirbhaya Fund is 3 points: empowerment of women, safety of women, and security of women and girl children. The mnemonic we can use is ESS. ESS. The central government has initiated many women-friendly schemes or initiatives. The few important schemes are given below: Working Women's Hostels, Ujjavala schemes, shelter home schemes of Swadhar and short stay homes, microcredit facilities through Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, and National Mission for Empowerment of Women. These schemes will be discussed in coming videos. Why the Nirbhaya Fund recently came in the news? After establishment of Nirbhaya Fund, 1 year is over. Still, the central government is not able to utilize the 1000 crores meant for ensuring the safety and security of women in India. Recently, government is planning to utilize the funds for the following purpose: to install the video cameras inside the buses so that to provide real-time assistance to women at risk in the cities. By using the GPS to direct the police vehicles to reach the crime spots as soon as possible, and introduction of the panic button that is called SOS alert in the cell phones, and establishing a GPS based control rooms to monitor public transport. These are all the few ideas to invest the 1000 crore rupees fund for ensuring the safety of women in India. Thank you.